يالله 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 يا أخي قوم جميع مرض سكري يالله 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 يا أخي قوم جميع.
Diabetes is a problem in every country, in my country, the United Kingdom, in Morocco and everywhere else in the world. And in Morocco there are currently 1.5 million people with diabetes, and that's estimated to increase to 2.5 million people in 20 years' time unless we really do something important about reversing that trend of growth. But also half the people who have diabetes don't know that they have it. So they're not getting treatment, and the complications of diabetes are taking hold. These complications can be very serious, indeed they can be fatal. So one of the things that's extremely urgent to do is to find the people who have diabetes and haven't yet been diagnosed and start to treat them. And if we do that, we'll be able to hopefully prevent or postpone the complications of diabetes and help them to live full and healthy lives. The future of the country needs healthy people, and that's why it's very important that we give the best possible care to people with diabetes.